A very good morning, dear students. Today we shall learn about homophones. Do you know what is the meaning of homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same when spoken, but they have different spelling and meaning. Once again, I repeat, homophones are words that sound the same when spoken, but they have different spellings and meanings. For example, you can see in this table. Let us see the first set. Do you want dash read a book? Once again I repeat. Do you want dash read a book? Here they have given one word TWO2 or two. We pronounce it same but two different spellings and different meanings. Now let us see the second set. Take a dash turn from the market to reach my home. Once again I read. Take a dash turn from the market to reach my home. Here they have given the word right. One word is right we use to show the direction. Second one to show to write in writing. Now let us look at the third set. He dash too many cookies. He dash too many cookies. Here they have given the word ate. We know the spelling of EIGHT or ATE, but the two different meanings. One word we use in numbers, second one to indicate for the food that you are eating. Now let us look at the fourth set. I am feeling too dash after the illness. I am feeling too dash after the illness. One is weak. Second one is week. We use week to indicate the 7 days, or when you are sick we use week. Now let us see the fifth set. I brought a dash pair of socks. Once again I repeat. I brought a dash pair of socks. New. The spelling is different but the same word. New. KNEW new or NEW new. Now let us see the sixth set. Can I have dash for breakfast? Can I have dash for breakfast? Here they have given cereal, but two different meanings. Cereal. Dear students, now you fill the blanks using the correct homophones. Once again I repeat, fill the blanks using the correct homophones.